Welcome, mountain viewers. I'm Lane. This is Range Day. What's going on, everyone? Today I'm addressing a question I hear a lot in gun stores and sometimes in my own training classes. What carry gun do you recommend? Now, obviously, I recommend a gun that fits you best, but that doesn't exactly make the greatest entertaining video. So, I want to talk about my carry gun and why I selected it, and that pistol is the Stoeger STR-9. What is the Stoeger STR-9? The Stoeger STR-9 is a line in the pistols made by Stoeger. Yeah, the same company that makes those Italian shotguns. Yeah, that one. Now, they've gotten into the market of pistols, but even though this is kind of on the cheap side, I picked mine up for about $300, so about the same price as generally a Taurus. But hey, don't let the price dissuade you. These are still fantastic pistols. What really makes this pistol cool is that they looked at all the best features from other pistols and other firearms and packed it into this thing. So they basically took features from Glock, M&P, Beretta, and basically combine them all into this nice little fantastic little package. You can see a lot of it. Getting close here, you can see there's probably some features that stand out to you that really kind of stand out from other models. Like even the slide has a very M&P looking slide to me. Now, this okay, cut. Okay. Now, depending on your preference, the STR-9 comes in a variety of sizes, from a 10-round subcompact to a full-size 20-round combat version. That thing's got all the bells and whistles, has a milled slide so you can put a red dot on it, threaded barrel for the suppressor lovers, a flared mag well, and a nice 20-round magazine, and of course, can't forget the tactical rail. Now, the one I got right here, this is the mid-sized 15-round version. Comes with steel mags. I honestly prefer the steel a little bit. They just seem like they run so much better. 15 plus 1 in the chamber. That's pretty standard for most pistols nowadays. Now, the other one I got. Now this is the STR-9C or SC subcompact. 10 round steel mag. Same mag, just smaller. In fact, what's really cool about this, so I'll usually do, my wife can carry one of these pistols, has a nice little 10 round. Meanwhile, I got the 15 rounds, and in a pinch, that 15 round can go right in there. Not exactly great, but it works. So, something to keep in mind. But this is subcompact if you want to go smaller, or if you want to go bigger. Now the main question that everyone is asking, how does it shoot? Well, for that, time to... Alright, so in conclusion, this has really become one of my favorite pistols to shoot. Is what really got me into shooting 9mm. I was a big 45 guy for the longest time. Bought this thing because I wanted to start breaking into 9mm. Figured this would be a good, cheap, $300 foot in the door into the 9mm world, and I have loved it ever since. I have not found another pistol that has really scratched the itch that this one has. So all in all, I love it. It's a fantastic pistol for the price point. And I can't say probably enough good things about this pistol. So if you're looking for a good, reliable budget option, and this thing can't be beat. And I run steel core through this all the way to good, high quality ammo, the cheap stuff. It has ate everything. It has ate it all without any issues. Outside of sometimes I just forget to clean it, and even then it's still kind of like it powers through. I don't know. it does its job, and does its job very well. And for $300, I couldn't be happier with this purchase. So awesome pistol. If you're looking for one that's just a good, cheap budget option, don't go to Taurus. This is available. Okay, you don't have to go out and go buy an FN or anything else. And if you don't want to be one of those guys that, I really just don't want to be another Glock guy. I want something that's different but not stands out too much. Right here, I got you. All right. Anyway, I've rambled on enough. You've seen some good shooting. You've seen a review of this pistol. Until next time. Okay, gotcha. Okay. So, next time, I'll probably talk about why I own a DL44 that actually shoots. But, until then, I'll see y'all in the next video. Alright, here we are on the range. Now, the STR-9 is one of the smoothest shooting pistols I have ever seen or shot. The recoil is very manageable, and the pistol almost puts itself right back on target, really allowing for those quick follow-up shots. One of the reasons I really like this pistol, just because it allows me those quick follow-up shots. I know, hey, if I ever get into a fight, I can get right back on target as needed. Alright, so for this first iteration, what I'm going to try to do, I'm just going to try to fire off just a few shots so you can really just watch the pistol cycle and really get a good idea of how this thing shoots. Alright. Down there, I got two steel targets. What I'm going to try to do is transition between them, 2 shots, and then do a reload, 1 shot. Alright, ready on the fire line. Ready on the fire line. Let's go check it out.